Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn touch typing, a valuable skill that can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency on the computer. Whether you are a student, a professional or just someone who wants to type faster, this tutorial is for you. You are in the right place. And before we begin, let's quickly understand what touch typing is. Touch typing is an ability to type without looking at the keyboard. Instead, you rely on your muscle memory and finger placement to find the keys accurately. It's all about training your fingers to know where each key is located. But before learning how to touch type, there are a few things to do. First, trim your nails. Having a big nails can give you a lot of trouble because it will greatly decrease your speed of typing. So, trim your nails. And the second is to be in a right posture. So to learn touch typing, the first thing you need to do is ensure that your hands are in a correct position on the keyboard. Place your fingers on the home row, which is the middle row of the keyboard, with your left hand fingers resting on A, S, T, F and your right hand fingers resting on J, K, L and semicolon. And this is how we must position our fingers. So you can see a little bump in the F and J key, right? So take your left hand and place the index finger on the F. And the rest of your hand should position like this. And you can use your thumb on the space. The same way we need to do the same with the right hand. So take your right hand. Now place the right index finger on the letter J like this, and your rest of the fingers should rest like this. And you can use your thumb in the space as well. Okay, so after positioning your fingers, the next thing that you want to do is actually learn touch typing. So how to do that? Well, there are many online resources from where you can learn touch typing. One of them is typingclub.com. Well, it's a free website where you can learn touch typing for free. It offers many things like videos, practice exercises, and even gaming. Focus on accuracy. While speed is important, it's equally essential to maintain accuracy. Remember, it's better to type accurately at a slower pace than gradually increase your speed over time. Pay attention to your mistake and work on correcting them. Accuracy will naturally improve with practice. Once you have built a strong accuracy, then the speed will automatically increase. And I also recommend you to practice on a website called monkeytype.com. It's a very good one. And the most important thing, while learning touch typing, never ever look at your keyboard, as it may reduce the muscle memory. And at the end, learning touch typing takes time and practice, but with dedication and consistency, you'll soon see a significant improvement in your typing speed and accuracy. Remember to be patient with yourself and enjoy the learning process.